So I came to know online in 1998. I started at a business called Pipeline Engineering in England. We used online electronics as one of our pig signaler vendors for the non-intrusive type until 2015 when I left Pipeline Engineering and started at Online Electronics later that year. Online Electronics started in 1996 and it was founded by a gentleman called Brian Gribble. Brian had experience in acoustic technology and saw a gap in the market for pig tracking. After that, it moved into electromagnetic pig tracking technology. It further became a pipeline pig signalling business, so it developed primarily a magnetic pig signalling device before moving into acoustic pig signalling. And at the same time, in parallel, it was continuing to develop the electromagnetic devices. And finally, it developed the MEGART system, which is used in offshore pre-commissioning to ensure that the pipeline is sufficiently dried prior to hydrocarbons being put into the pipeline. As part of Brian's drive to grow the business, he chose to set up offices in Singapore to service the Asian Pacific market, Dubai to service the Middle Eastern market, and Houston to service the North and South American market until it was acquired in 2015 by the IK Group.
Some years ago, we made the decision to buy Online Electronics. Number one was the technology that Online Electronics could bring to IK Norway. IK Norway is a very technical company with regard to mechanical tools, and Online Electronics could bring in more technology related to communication, sensor technology, acoustic technology. The second reason, and that was that Online Electronics had a large international network for sale and distribution and marketing, which we in Norway did not have.
Technology has come on amazingly over the last couple of decades. If you think your mobile phone that you had 10 or 20 years ago, the size has come down so much and the functionality has increased. These advancements have meant that miniaturized and inexpensive components have become widely available, so we can put them into our products to bring out features such as pressure sensing, temperature sensing, wireless communications, logging, acceleration, just to name a few. At Online Electronics, we see our products becoming more smart, gathering more information and data for our customers, integrating into systems more, integrating with the mobile phone in your pocket. I get a real buzz out of developing an idea into a product and then seeing that product getting built and going out the door to customers to solve their problems.
Customers keep coming back to Online Electronics because of the variety of products we offer. We'll offer the most appropriate product for their task rather than just being limited. We have a full range of technologies, so we'll change the technology to be the most suitable for the end user. The company is small enough still to be able to reflect their needs quickly, and we'll look at modifying items, equipment, to make almost a bespoke product in cases for them. I think the thing that enthuses me is the variety. One day you can quote for half a dozen pigs, the next thing you'll be quoting a massive project and then you have a whole range of equipment.
The change of premises has been the biggest thing I think over the last, 10 years since I've been here at least. We've got larger workshops now than what we did before. It's allowed us to expand, take on larger orders than we previously did. But again, still maintaining the quality that we had previously. And of course the staff being able to adapt to that changes to help us progress the way we have. I think one of the best moments we've had is when we received massive orders into the hundreds of units and we were sort of doubting ourselves whether we were capable of meeting the requirements, but actually with the changes that we put in it just made it flow so smoothly that I think it made me proud, the guys proud.
Online's future is partly to do with what it already does, also much to do with what it could do. We now consider software to be very, very important. We consider apps and the development of apps for the customers to interface with the products as something to be very, very important. I think now it's time for Online to use the skills it has to actually develop products and win more business from outside of the pipeline pre-commissioning market.
I've worked online since it was a small family-owned business, and I've watched it over the years to grow to what it is now, be bought by IK Norway. I don't think that we've lost that family business feel, so everyone knows everyone else, everyone's trying to help each other, and everyone's trying to help customers solve whatever problems that they have.
The openness of communication between every member of staff, from the techs, for example, if they've got an issue, they could escalate it straight to research and development if they need to, or even senior management, and these issues will get listened to and they'll get resolved quickly and effectively.
I really enjoy and have enjoyed my time at Online Electronics. I think the people, if there was something I was going to say, are a standout. I think the people here are open to change, really hard working, passionate and loyal to the business and loyal to each other, which is really important.